Hey there, I'm Sir Classy and this is SCTuts. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Afro Dancehall type beats in FL Studio the easy way. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and let's get started. So before we get started, there's a free dancehall drum kit with link in the description below you can download so you can follow up in this tutorial. And also I'm inviting you to join my Telegram community where I hold free monthly master classes where I share kits, loops. You can even talk to me one-on-one and I'll answer you promptly. You can share your songs for reviews, feedback, and you can be a part of a community of like-minded people like you who are willing and eager to learn. Alright then, let's get started with this tutorial. Alright, so we're going to start with drums, and I already have my packs loaded here. I have a kick, I have a snare, a hi-hat, and a percussion, and the tempo I'll be using is 93 BPM. So I'm going to start with a basic pattern. So it's going to go like this. I'm going to keep going. All right, then I'm going to add my kick now. Then I'm going to add my hi-hats, really simple hi-hats. I'm going to come into my kick. There's something I want to do that I like hearing on a lot of dancehall beats. So go to chop, tools, chop. Yeah, that. Then I'm going to fade it. Yeah. So that's it for the drums, and now we're going to move on to building chords and melodies. For melodies, I'm going to first of all set this right here on the playlist. Then I'm going to be using piano roll, and I have some midi kits right here I can use. Let's see how this sounds. I don't like that sound. Let's see. Let's see. I think I like this. I like these chords. So I'm going to try and make it sound more realistic. Strum alternate S. Yeah. Perfect. I'll link it up right here, then give it a radio. Then add lots of reverb. Increase the decay. Then I'm going to use Edison to record what just happened because I'll need that reverb tail for when I reverse it. I have to make sure it's perfect so that when I flip it over, it's easy. All right. So I'm just gonna carry this, then reverse it. Let's see. Perfect. So I'm going to chop this up. I chop them at the heads. That's how you know where they're supposed to start from. I think I made a mistake. All right, so let me chop it up again. Yeah, all the heads are chopped. Here, here, here. So I'm going to link this and add even more reverb. Perfect. All right, now so let's move on to adding melodies, shall we? For the melodies, we're going to play with a lot of ambient sound, and I'm using the chord Triton Extreme plugin for that, using under the slow synth preset, and I'm using this. So I'm just going to paste some notes right here on it. Just as simple as that, really. This is just an empty note, nothing playing, just so I could get the ghost channels. So I'm going to render this sound. So I'm going to open Triton again and look for another ambient sound. Let's see. All right, I think this is dope. We can use that. Let's take it to a lower octave and see. Even more low octave. Perfect. So render that again. Then we're going to use Purity, this xylophone preset under bells and percussion sounds. So I'm going to play. Just something random. I have no idea what I'm going to play right now, but just a random melody. All right. Doesn't sound really bad, but I could make it sound better. I think I'll bring this down. Perfect. Then I'll render it. And so for the bass line, we're going to use Hive, this plugin. the 808 preset, one 808 sub. I really love using the 808 presets a lot. So we're going to use the progression right here. Pardon me. All right. Let me just double this up so that I can have more options to play with. All right. So I think that's clear. I'm just going to make it hit with the kick. If your 808 is on tune or is on key, you take it to a higher octave, then hear a sound. I think this should be here. Perfect. So we can take it to a lower octave now. Now that's how we get our 808 to sound proper. And then now we're going to structure out this beat. So to structure it out, I'm going to select all of this. Let's have this at bar for the quantizer. It's easier and more accurate to move around. Let's have the chords. Okay, let's see, we'll make that the intro 4 bars. Let's take out the hi-hats. We can just create a new pattern for the hi-hats. We can have the hi-hats here. Then we'll double this. So I'm going to have this bridge right here. and then it's going to come right back again. Then there's a secret sauce. It's a unison loop back, and I want to use the hi-hat roll from the hip hop. So I would love to use this and then quantize it to my project. And then I will have this part right here. And it out. All right, then I think the structure is full. So let's hear the beat from the top and see how it sounds like. So if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up so other people that need this tutorial can easily find it here on YouTube. And also subscribe if you're new so you can get updates on my tutorials from this channel. I upload almost every day on YouTube. Almost every day, really helpful tips, tricks, how-tos, and kit loops, and so much more that you don't want to miss. All right then, cheers.